Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check Amex gift card balance. American Express guide step by step clearly. First, take your Amex gift card and make sure you can read the 15-digit card number on the front. Next, flip the card over and locate the security code, which is usually a 4-digit number on the back. Then, keep the card near you because you will need to enter both numbers during the process. Now, open a web browser on your phone or computer such as Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type the official American Express gift card balance site URL exactly as printed on the back of your card. Press enter and wait for the American Express gift card balance page to load fully. If you see multiple pages, choose the option that says Check Balance or Check Gift Card Balance. Click or tap the input field for card number. Carefully type the 15-digit card number without spaces or dashes. Double-check each digit to avoid a failed lookup caused by a small typo. Next, click or tap the input field for the security code. Type the 4-digit security code exactly as shown on the back of the card. If the page asks for an expiration date, enter the month and year printed on the front of the card. Look for a button labeled Check Balance, Submit, or Continue. Click or tap that button once and wait a few seconds for the result. Review the balance amount displayed on the screen. Also check the available balance and any pending authorizations if they are shown. Scroll to find recent transactions if the site provides a purchase history section. If your balance is lower than expected, compare the listed transactions with your receipts. If the website does not load, refresh the page once and confirm your internet connection is working. If you get an error, re-enter the card number and security code slowly and try again. If you still cannot check the balance online, find the customer service phone number printed on the back of the card. Call the number and follow the automated prompts for gift card balance inquiries. When asked, enter your card number using the phone keypad. Then enter the security code if the system requests it. Listen to the recorded balance carefully and write it down for your records. If you suspect fraud or an unauthorized charge, ask to speak with a representative for help. Finally, store your card information securely and never share the card number or security code publicly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.